Hey everybody, this is my screen recording of how to set up your screen record and how to screen record. I already made you a Word doc that has images, screenshots with text with it. So to be honest, what I'm doing right now, it's much faster than me taking screenshots, airdropping that to my laptop, slapping that onto a Word doc, typing everything out. I mean, this is all done one time with one device, streamlined. So here you have visual and audio together. So this is why this is such a powerful method of doing tutorials and giving a resource to students. I mean, you can drop one of these out really quick on a flex day if you need to. So what you need to do to set this up, students' iPads have these, we have these. So how you do this is you need to either double click the home button or you can swipe up, and here is your control center. So what you should have in the control center is, right now mine's flashing red. You should, to get this to work, you need to have just it's almost like a target. It has a circle with another circle in it. If you don't have that, we need to go set it up. So what you need to do is go to settings, and you need to go to the control center, and then you need to go to customize controls. And over here, since I added mine already, it's up here with included. And I can organize it to where it's at the top of the control center, at the bottom. I like at the bottom so I can find it real quick. But originally it was down here. So what you do is you click the plus, boom. That's all it is. Uh-oh, see, I took it off. So we add it back. I don't know if that shut my recording off, we'll find out. But so you add it up to there. Boom, that's all you need to do. So you should have, oh, I don't think it's recording anymore. Is it recording? No, it's not. It's recording right now. So that's what yours should look like. It should look like the white circle inside a bigger circle. So if you want to record, you can click the button. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, and that's when the recording starts. And you can go about whatever activity you're doing on your iPad that you want to show students. You can write on it, type it out. And the problem is, set up the way it is at first, you don't have any audio. So what you're going to have to do to set up audio is you push and hold the button like this. And what you have to do is, right now mine says microphone audio on. Yours is probably off. So if you hold down the button for a few seconds, this pops up. You'll have to turn the microphone audio on, and mine went back to recording red. So hopefully we didn't lose any of what I was just saying. So now you should be recording audio, and you can go in and you can start doing whatever tutorial you need to do for students. We were just doing figural drawing, so I mean, say I needed to do a how-to on that, I can pull up my sketchbook pad and boom, you could show work on the sketchbook pad or whatever you use. And then when you are done, you'll go back to your control center, and you just need to click the red button off, and that will turn it off, and it automatically gets sent to your camera roll. From there, you can post it to Schoology on your course. You could post it to YouTube, wrong Y word. You can post it to YouTube, and that'll be something I talk about later on how to set a YouTube profile, where you can just have a library of video tutorials to help students out. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Very powerful thing. Students could do this. They can make really quick, easy video audio presentations if they run through a PowerPoint, record it, submit it. You can play it for the class. It's just a really quick way to create a tutorial. The process was much more tedious and used iMovie if you didn't have the record button to record your screen. You actually had to use your laptop to record your iPad screen, but not anymore. So hopefully you find this informative, and we'll talk about this during our tech session.